Good morning, folks. Lonnie Bowers, Guaranty RV Supercenters here in wonderful Junction City, Oregon. I'm here to show you this 2020 Arctic Fox 32 5M fifth wheel. Very nice coach. If you're doing any kind of long-term or long-time staying in it, like if you're going down south for the winter and you're staying in it, this would be the perfect unit for that. Lots of room in the interior. You got generator ready up front, so if you need a generator or want a generator, you can install one. It's all wired and ready to go for that. You've got nice underbelly storage with doors that open to the side as opposed to up, which is, I believe, much nicer, much more convenient. This is a fully lined and insulated under storage or basement storage. Nice wide door, easy to get into. You also have an access door on the other side of the coach. This is what they call the Grande Ronde edition. Gray exterior, blue, gray, and black graphics. I think it looks really nice. Solid step. This thing's nice and easy to store. When you're ready to take off and drive, you just put it up inside and close the door. Of course, get rid of your rail and you're ready to drive, ready to go. And just as easy when you stop and you want to get inside. They're nice and light. They come down real easy. You've got adjustable legs on these as well, which makes it really nice if you just happen to be on uneven ground. You can adjust one leg longer than the other so the stairs stay level. This is a 3-slide coach. My favorite part about this coach is the kitchen and the living area. This is what they call a rear lounge or rear living area coach. You've got lots of counter space in your kitchen to start with. Lots of storage above and below. Drawer storage on the left. Furion oven. Much nicer. Never have to worry about a pilot light going out and you having to relight it. It's all electronic ignition there. Furion convection and microwave. You also have a center island. You also have a power port. You pull this up. On the other side, you've got two 110 outlets and you got two USB ports for cell phones, computers, what have you. Then it just goes right back down and then out of the way. 4-door fridge, lots of cubic feet, lots of room for food and what have you. Nice shelves, nice big freezer, deep, wide. So again, if you're staying in these long term, you can store lots of food and do that. You also have drawer storage on this side of the island that pulls out. You've got 4 drawers, a big one at the bottom, a medium-sized one above that, and then 2 smaller ones above that. Again, your rear living, nice storage up and above the recliners. These are heated and massage chairs if you choose to turn that on. They're also recliners. Then you have your 2 chairs you can move wherever with a little table in there. Nice big windows, so you've got lots of light and lots of view, nice view out the back window. Rather than a booth, you have a standing dining room table and chairs. It does extend out. There is a leaf underneath there, just like that. So you can move your chairs further apart and not be elbowing each other. Nice feature. Really like that. Nice and easy to put away too. Really nice entertainment center with nice electric fireplace. This will run you out of here if you let it. Nice big TV. You have a AM/FM CD player. The CD player also doubles as a DVD player for your television. Just a nice coach. When you walk up through the middle, you've got your control panel here for all your slide outs and your water tanks and your batteries and all that stuff here. You've got your thermostat for your heating and air. In the bedroom, you have lots of room for walk around. This is a king size bed. Everything in this closet is cedar lined. Nice big closet, all cedar, smells nice. So you got virtually a walk-in closet there. And then on either side you have more hanging storage. This side It's actually washer and dryer ready if you wanted to put a washer and dryer in. Otherwise, you can just use it for clothes. There's a bar across there for hanging, shelf on top. This little goodie under here is more storage for whatever you need. It's not real wide, but it's a little extra storage that might help out. Nice chest of drawers, big drawers, and they're built very well on nice sliders. You're ready for a TV if you want. You've got all your satellite, cable, and power outlet there. You can put it, there's a metal plate behind here to mount a TV bracket, and then you've got some little shelf storage on there. In the bathroom, nice sized bathroom, nice big shower with a skylight. Somebody 6'3", 6'4" could fit in there and actually take a shower. Like a lot of them, you can't. Granite surface countertops throughout, not just in the kitchen, but in the bathroom as well. Nice lighting, ceiling fan. All of your air conditioner is ducted from front to rear. All of your heating is like forced air comes out of the floor. This is a nice coach, folks. Nice laminate floors. Not light, not dark, but they kind of match the furniture and the countertops and the cabinets. So it's a nice feature. Resilient, waterproof. You have a power awning on the outside. Your switch for that is also in your control panel. So if you're looking for a nice fifth wheel with lots of amenities and a ton of room, this is the one I would suggest, the 32-5M Arctic Fox. Give me a call if you have any questions or concerns. My phone number is 458-210-4130, or you can reach me on my direct line in my office at 541-998-4064. Thanks, folks. Hope to see you soon.